We're gonna go ahead and actually go through the test right now. So I want you to go ahead and pull up. He's gonna go ahead and pull up. And he can't go past the blue line and the white line. So inch forward, come on up. Put it in park. And then you stick your arm out the window. Good, now let's just test your no. Okay, that was passing. Okay, the next maneuver. I need you to look out your window. You cannot hit that back cone. I want you to put it in reverse.
Which one?
You're gonna back in right here between those cones.
All right.
Okay, put this in reverse. I'll show you. Okay, the next one is the reverse park. So he's looking out this window, go ahead and reverse. Keep going. Now cut your wheel all the way to me. Turn it all the way, back in. So he's gonna back in really slow. It's got a nice angle. Go slow, always look, you're doing great. So you can actually see what it looks like. Keep it in, you're doing great. Go in slow. Now stop and straighten up your wheels. Now check both cones on both sides. Now look out your back window. You see the sticks? Back up without hitting the sticks. So he's doing pretty good, he's got a nice job, and stop. Now put it in park. That's the second maneuver. He's not past the line, that's a good job. Now the last one is the parallel park. I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do. I want you to pull straight out. Pull it straight out. Pull it straight out. Turn your wheel all the way this way, to the right. Pull straight down. Yep, go straight down, keep going, keep going. Go down to the last cone. Line your rear bumper up with this last cone. Good, go up more. Get a little closer, good, keep going, keep going. Now turn back. Keep going up, go up more. Keep going, get this rear bumper a little bit past this cone. Keep going, and stop. Go up a little bit more. All right, a little bit more. So what you're going to do, you're gonna turn your steering wheel, put it in reverse. You're gonna turn your steering wheel all the way to the right. Go ahead and turn it all the way to the right. Back in. You see this back, I'm gonna show you something. You see this back cone right here? I want you to aim for this back barrier, okay? So go ahead and start backing in very slow. Deeper. Keep going, you're doing great. Keep going. Go in deeper, deeper, deeper. Now straighten your wheels up, straighten them up, good. Back, straight back. Stop, a little bit deeper. Stop.